Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to cover fifth video on reasoning ability. As you know that in upcoming you have a Infosys examinations. For your Infosys examinations, we will help you with both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. And I already completed four different videos on reasoning ability. If you guys have missed those videos, you can watch all those videos in my Placement Pulse YouTube channel. And if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends also. And please share this data in WhatsApp groups or WhatsApp statuses. It leads us to the maximum number of people. So good evening once again. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video also. If you like our video, it leads us to the maximum number of people. Okay, without any delay, let's start our session. Try to answer this question. You just tell me which one is odd one out. So we have a four options: 63, 72, 104, 117, 136, 153, 152, and 171. And which one is odd one out? See, if you go through the difference between 63 and 72 is 9 units. Let's go through the next difference between the numbers is 13. Let's go for the next one here. It's a plus 4 and 13, difference is 17. 152 and 117 plus 8 and the 11 total difference is 19 units. Now see, you can see that 9, 13, 17, 19 all are odd numbers. But how we can say that which one is odd one out? So what is the reason behind this? 63, 72. Now here the right one, see, if you observe BCD, all the differences are prime numbers. That is a similar thing you observe here. The difference is prime number, 9 is not a prime number. That's why A is the suitable answer. Otherwise, guys, you can go with the other one. See, except A, first number is exactly divisible by 8 and second number is exactly divisible by 9. You can apply this concept also, still you can able to get the same answer. That's why here A is odd one out when compared to remaining. Yes, very good, Nanaja. Navi, Razi, both logics are correct. Either you can take the prime difference or first number is multiples of 8 and second number is multiples of 9. Good. Very good, Nana. Let's go for this question. Mass is related to the kilogram. Force is related to. As you know that these are the units. Mass units are kilograms. In the same way, force is related to newtons. As you know that time, seconds, Pascal. As you know that pressure. Can anyone tell me that what are the units for joule? Joule is for. Let me know in the comments. Joule. Give me the answer. Time seconds, force Newton, mass kilogram, pressure Pascal, and what about joule? So joule is the units for energy. So these are the fundamental units. Hope it's clear. So here the odd one or basically you have to pick the right one according to the analysis similar relation. Mass fundamental units is kilogram, force is Newton. So Newton is the correct answer. Sukanya, good. Rajalakshmi, Raji, Uma, good, good, very good. Move on to the next question. Try to answer this question. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So you can expect many videos from our YouTube channel. Yes, very good, Rajesh. Let's go through this question. Out of four, which one is the odd one out? We have H, K, and Q, T. Let me take an alphabetical position for your understanding. 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. T20, 23, 25, and we have second letter and third letter. Let's go for second letter, fifth letter, eighth letter, 11th letter, 14th letter. Q17, T20, W23, Z26. It's a 3. As you know that it's a plus 3, plus 3. It's a difference of 3 units. But it doesn't satisfy option 2, guys. That's why odd one out is TWYBC. Is the odd one out. Very good. It's a difference of 3 from element to the element. That's why B is odd one out. Let's go through this question. Select the option that is most like the given set 23, 136, and 45. See, go through the relation and identify the similar one. Now see here the relation if we have a three numbers 23, 136, and 45. As you know that 23 plus 45. Yes, some value is equal to 68. If 68 is multiplied with the 2 times, then it becomes 136. Now, out of 4 options, which one can satisfy that condition? 29 plus 11 is 40 into 2 is not 78. 31 plus 37 is exactly equal to 68 is not, if you multiply with the 2, it is not 126. 17 plus 33 is equal to 50. If you multiply it, we need 100. That's why the best suitable answer is D. 19 plus 29 is equal to 48. Multiplied with the 2, then it becomes 96. It is similar to the our question. That's why best suitable answer is 9. It's very good, Nana. Keep going. Keep going. Jahnavi, Razi, Uma, Rajalakshmi. Good. Move on to the next question. In a certain code language, dear. In a certain code language, dear is written as 7465. In the same way, life is written as 8394. Now, how will ideal be written in the same code language? Sorry. Guys, if you find the logic, before finding the logic, observe that similar repetition later. Guys, E is repeated in both the words. If you observe that E is position, here E is coded for, E is coded as 4, then directly you can code position to the positions. So no need to identify the individual one. Why? Because all the letters which are repeated in our statement, ideal. So here I is coded as 3. It starts from 3. We have two options. D is 7, 37. E is 4, 374. Then the suitable answer is A. If you get that option, don't look into the remaining one. It's a waste of your time. You can pick the option. Guys, ultimately we need an answer. That's it. That's why check your options randomly. Guys, kindly like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. Let's move to the next question. See, select the option most likely to give answer. 3, 15, and 123. See, what is the relation among 3, 15, and 123? So, what is the relation? And pick the best suitable option. Now, see, if you observe that if 15 is exactly divisible by 3, you will get 5, right? As you know that if 5 cube minus of 2 value become 123. Let's check this one. If 26 is divided by 2, we have 13. If 13 cube minus 1 is not 125. And 36 is not divisible by 5. If 24 is divided by 4, then it becomes 6. Now 6 cube minus of 2. 6 cube is 216 minus of 2 is equal to 214. Yes, it satisfies our condition. Then the best suitable answer is C. C is the correct answer. Very good, Nana. Chandrika and Raji. Good. Let's move on to the next question. Now, how many triangles in the given figure? In our first video, we already discussed counting number of triangles concept. If you're aware of that, you can easily count that information. For your reference, I am taking this alphabetical H, I, J. Now see, as you're aware of this concept, if you take ABC triangle, you will get 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. If you go for EFD, if you go for EFD, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you will get 10 triangles. 10 triangles. Next, let's go through that AFD. AFD is also leaves 3 different triangles. AFD leaves 3 different triangles. Let's check the bases. Based on the bases, you can able to calculate it. Is it clear? So till now we are done with 16 number of triangles, but we have an option 24, 28, 26, and 30. So we are done with together, then identify the individual condition. Individual condition means let's go for FGH is a one triangle. This is one triangle. And next one is JCD is an another triangle. Let's go for the JCD is one other triangle. Now you can get ACE and AGE are four more triangles. So these four triangles you will get. Hope you understand. Let's go for next one. See AED. AED is one triangle. AEF is another triangle. Let's add six more. Then it becomes 22. Now I'm waiting for your responses. We are counted 22 triangles. So can I get more than that number? If you get more than that number, you just type in the comments. So what are the new triangles you can able to figure out? So let's go for EFG. EFG and ECD. Let's go for that. Still I can able to see 24 triangles. You can see more than that, or can I log 24? So now I'm just waiting for your responses. Be faster to identify the triangles in the given picture. So, so I'm just log that number 24. Is it exactly a 24, or you can see more than 24? Is it 24? I'm waiting for your response. Why? Because you can see more than 24. 26 we have, 28 we have, and 30 we have. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you want this PDF, you can download from my Telegram channel. Search at the rate of V2VVK. You can get my Telegram channel name, Vision to Victory. And this is my Insta page, and you can find my WhatsApp channel link in the description. AID, AID. We are done with AID, AFD, guys. Those triangle you can count in AFD. EJD, EJD, EJD count we are completed in EFT. Those 10 triangles that is including EFT. So that portion is completed. In EFT we have counted all those inside 10 triangles. So here number of triangles in the given picture is 24. If you see more than that, you can comment. You can comment. You can type a message on the comment section. Let's go for the next question. Here we have a clerk, male, permanent employee, and we have a four figures. Which of the diagram can logically follows that relation? Yes, B is the correct answer. Very good, Nana Ramesh. Why? Because you cannot be assuming that all clerks are males. We cannot say one information, entire information to the other. So we can conclude that some clerks are male, some clerk can be a permanent employee, some clerk male or permanent employee. We need three intersections. These information including few clerks, few males, and few permanent employees. That's what the best possible answer is D. D is the correct answer. This is very good. Jyotirmay, Jafnavi, Shirisha, Uma, Ramesh, Sukanya, Lakshmi. Very good. Hope you understand this concept. Next, let's go to it. Let's see this question in a certain code language. Example. In a certain code language, example is coded as D W Z L O K D. Then how will election be coded in that language? So how will be coded in that language? As you are aware of that, like every time, every letter they are represented with a previous one, minus one, minus one, minus one. And E previous letter is D. So eliminate C. Next one C, DKD, DKE, DKD. Let's go for that. So again we require D, so B eliminated. Next one see B is same, BB same, SS same, and you can verify the J or H. J or H. As you know that I is 11th letter, we require previous one is 10th. 10th letter is J. So answer A is correct answer. Thank you so much, Bharat Chandra. Thank you so much. You remember me. I'm so happy to see this message. Thank you so much, Nana. Let's move on to the next question. Next, let's go for this question. Select the option which is related to the third term in the same way second term is related to the first term. Now see here, muscle, M-U-S-C-L-E. Guys, I told you many times, if letters are repeated, then the order must be jumble in order. Guys, see, let's go for S-U-M. Next one, L-E-C. L-E-C. You can check this order. So if you go through that output, O-U-T-P-U-T, output. And here it starts from T, then U, then O. T-U-O, U, U, it's a second letter, then T and the P. So answer D is the suitable answer. Next. So understand this series here. So try to solve this question, guys. Again, according to the sequence, what can be the next one? Now, if you observe this figure, total we have 8 sided here. From the here to here, the rotation, it will be deleted here. It went to the bottom. Again, this portion is deleted. It went to this side. Means it will be the anti-clockwise. Now you have to delete this portion and that will be extended here. So if you observe the picture here, we need this kind of shape. We need this kind of shape. So she shape. Okay, so don't delete this one. Why? Because first it will be deleted right side, then it is left side, then again it is right side. You have to delete this portion. So here the best picture according to the series is A. Move on to the next question.
పక్క పక్కన కూర్చున్నాం ఛాన్సే లేదు నువ్వు బైక్ రమ్మ కొరకు పెడతావు
Now let's see this question. In a certain code, Earth is written as FZSSI. Then which word will be coded as XZUDS? Now see here the Earth EARTH is coded as FZSSI. As you are aware of that, this is plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, and a plus, it's not plus 1, SSI, right? HI. So H, yeah, plus 1. Yeah. So it's increasing, decreasing by 1, 1, 1, 1. Now here the question X, Z, U, D, S. If you go for plus 1, X, W, minus 1 is Y, plus 1, U, V, minus 1, D, minus 1 is C. So W, Y, sorry, E, F, A, Z. So X, Y, sorry, it's X, Y. So here Y, Z minus Y, 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 right? Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. And the check with the series here. Okay, okay, sorry, guys. I made a mistake while reading this information. Guys, which word they already coded with XZUDS. So they already performed the operation. You should identify the previous one. So after adding plus one, it become a X. So before that, we need W here. So it starts from W. So after subtracting one, it become a Z means definitely it is A. And U is 24th letter, 21st letter. It starts from T. So answer WATER. So suitable answer is C. Which word is coded? There is a two different type of questions. How it will code it? It means they given as the first one, you should identify the second. Then which word is coded as? It means they given as a second one, you should identify the first one. So there are two different meanings. Try to understand the question. Why? Because sometimes you can expect the option like none of these. So you should understand this is one of the important model, guys. Next, try to solve this question. Sorry, I missed it. Ramesh, thank you so much, Ramesh and Razi. Now see which number will come in the next. 1, 2, 5, dash 677. So what can be the next number? So if you observe the sequence here, see, from 1 to 2, it's all about 1 square plus 1. 2 to 5 is 2 square plus 1. So next number should be 5 square plus 1. 5 square plus 1 is equal to 26. As you're aware of that, 26 square plus 1. 26 square is 676 plus 1 is 27. That's why here the missing number is 26. Let's try to solve this question from logical reductions. Let's see this question. All leaders are statesmen. All statements are orators. So if the statements are positive, let's verify this conclusion. All leaders are orators. All leaders are orators. Remember guys, if any comparison goes for inside to the outside, all comma some conclusions. Always correct. If any comparison goes for towards inside, some conclusion. Always correct. Guys, inside to the outside, both all comma some conclusions are valid. Inside to the outside to the inside, only some conclusions are follows. That's why this is valid one. Second one, all statements are leaders. Guys, if it goes for inside only some conclusions. Inside comparison always some is valid. Outside comparison always all comma some is valid. That's why this is invalid. Conclusion one follows. So understand this picture comparison. Next. Now see here, at the rate stands for division, ash denotes for multiplication, and S stands for plus, percent denotes for minus. Then what will be the value of following expression? 18. Ash denotes for multiplication. At the rate denotes for division. And S stands for plus. And percentage stands for minus. As you are aware of that, while solving any mathematical expression, you should use Bode-Most rule. So according to the Bottomless rules, just cancel it. 18 into 1 is 18. 18 plus 18 minus of 18, then the final resultant must be 18. Again, question from the embedded pictures. Very good, Nana. Akshay Reddy, Raju, Raji, Ramesh. Very good. Jyotirmay. On to the next question. Now see where you can see that picture. So you can get the shape in one of the given options. So that's all about the embedded. Embedded is all about the hidden figure. Guys, if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this information with your friends also. So definitely we will come up with more number of live videos which is going to help you of future examination. Let's see, you can see the shape in option A. Very good. I will draw those shape also for your better understanding. So that's why best answer is A. Very good. Yeah, Navis is A, Raji, Jyotirmay, Chandra, Ramesh. Good. Again, back to the dice concept, guys. So we have if two dice are rolled. If two dice are there, then we have three different comparisons. Comparison number one. If one element is common, if one element is common, for example, you can take this example. If one element is common, you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3. You can see the numbers 3, 4, 5, for example. If you observe that there is a one element is common, that is 3. Whatever the common element, take that point and consider the clockwise rotation from both the dice. Here 3, 1, 2. Here 3, 4, 5. Now you can conclude that 2, 5 is opposite to each other. 2, 5 is opposite to each other. 1, 4 is opposite to each other. Then remaining we have a 6. 3, 6 is always opposite to each other. You can conclude that opposite pairs in this way. Second one, if two elements are common. If two elements are common, for example, let's take an example for understanding 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. It means you can able to see that 2, 3 is common. There are two elements which are common. If two elements are common, remaining must be opposite to each other. So the left with 1 and 4 both are opposite to each other. But 2 and 3 is always adjacent to each other. Again, we cannot sure with exact opposite pair. It can be a 5 or 6. It can be a 5 or 6. Let's observe this condition. See, if you go through this question, there is a one element is common, right? So that element is 2. So if you see the common element, consider the clockwise notation. It's a 2, 4, 1. It's a 2, 6, 3. It means 1, 3 is opposite to each other. 4, 6 is opposite to each other. Remaining 2 must be opposite to 5. Now, according to the question here, if 5 dots in the top, then how many dots will be in the bottom? Top and bottom both are opposite to each other, right? If you see 5 as a top, then bottom number must be 2. If one element is common, constant it and consider the clockwise notation. If two elements are common, a remaining must be opposite to each other. So these are the concepts. Remember. Next. Tell me which one is the odd number and give me your reason also. Now see if you observe that 104, 32, 48 and 28. So three are similar, one is different. What is that? See, except 28, remaining three are multiples of 8 and those three numbers are exactly divisible by 8. So these three numbers are multiples of 8. Multiples of 8, but 28 you never get in 8 multiple. That's why 28 is the odd one. Next. Let's go through this question. Out of again 4, 3 is similar, 1 is different. Which one it is? 24, 8. See, 24 into 4, 22 into 4 is equal to 88. 11 into 8 is 88. 7 into 12 is 84. 44 into 2 is 88. So, except see, remaining 3 are product values are same. So, this is different. That's why 7 comma 12 is odd one out. Next. 13, 338. So relation between 13 and 338 and choose one of the option. Guys, I'm just leaving this question for you. After the live session, just try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. So try to answer it. After the live session, please post your answer in the comment section. Let's go for the next one. Here, smile and laugh, speak, shout, run, stand, blend, mixture, sad, happy. So what is the answer for this question? Guys, I need your explanation for this question. How we are going to choose the option? And what is your understanding for smile and laugh? As you're aware of that, see, laugh is extended version, extended version of smile. If you observe that relation, then see speak and shout. Speak and shout. Run and stand. Blend and mixture. Sad and happy is an opposite word. Blend and mixture is also, it's not an extended form. If you observe that option A is, why? Because shout is the extended version of speak. That's why here the suitable option A is the correct answer. Next, move to the next question. Now see, we have 24 and 102. What is the relation between 24 and 102? And apply the same relation for 16. Find the missing value. Now see, you already know that if 24 into 4 is equal to 96. Let's add 6 for example. 96 plus 6 is equal to 102. In the same way, apply the same concept here. 16 into 4. 16 into 4 is exactly equal to 64 plus 6 is equal to 70. But you can't see that option. But what is the logic? See, it's into 4 plus 6. Maybe it satisfies that condition, but it doesn't satisfy. So you can't see that number, right? So which number you are going to consider? It's very good, Nanakshaya. It's like a similar one. Now see, if you observe that reason behind these to add 6, if 24 is multiplied by 4 plus if 24 is divided by 4, that is the reason. In the same way, if 16 is multiplied by 4 plus and 16 is divisible by 4, and don't add 6 units blindly. There is a reason to add that number. So 16 into 4 is 64. 16 by 4 is plus 4. Then the resultant becomes 60. Hope you understand. Yes, very good. Next, guys, again, this is for you. Try to answer it and post your answer in the comment section. Okay, like bear, deer, frog, crocodile, snake, lizard, parrot, and the eagle. So I need explanation on the comment section. So let's try to solve it after my live session. So guys, you can check this PDF in my Telegram. Search V2V VK. You can get my channel name as Listen to Victory. And don't forget to subscribe our channels. All the links are available in the description. And don't forget to share also. I'm just expecting a little love and support from you. So I just there is a promise from my end. We will come up with more number of videos for your upcoming examinations. We always there for you. We will guide you in a right way, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us either Telegram or Instagram or anything, any medium. All the links are available. You can check the description. Let's take this question here. See, C is third letter, E is fifth letter, I is ninth letter, O is 15th letter. What can be the next one? It's all about plus 2. This is all about plus 4. This is all about plus 6. And next must be plus 8. So we need 23rd letter. 23rd letter is W. Now, here the last question. So pick odd one out. So out of 4, which one is odd number? And once again, thank you so much, Bharat Chandra. It's not about the super chat. You remember me even after 3 years. I'm so happy to see your message. And thank you so much for your love and support. Last question, pick out one out. We can conclude today's session. See here, Opposite pairs, guys. Let me help you out before conclude this session. Let me help you out how to remember all the 26 alphabetical as 13 opposite pairs. So in initial days, how I remember those 13 with the help of different names. First name, as you are aware of that Azaruddin, name of Azaruddin, AZ is opposite pair. Try to remember with names, you can identify the logic. Based on this opposite pair, definitely you can expect a question. So first one is Azaruddin. Let's go for boy BY and climax CX. And you know that one of the cricketer from Australia, David Warner, DW. Aware of these vehicles, electrical vehicle, EV, electrical vehicle. And general form for you, FU. And you are aware of that, either you can take Grand Test or Gandhi Tata Garu. So Grand Test, GT or Gandhi Tata. And eighth one, Hyderabad and Secunderabad, famous twin cities. With the help of those two cities, you can remember this opposite pair. Hyderabad and Secunderabad. So one of the famous political pair politicians, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi Garu. IR, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. And as you are aware of the playing cards, Jack and Queen, JQ. And 11th one, as you are aware of that, and one of the person, K.A. Pal Garu, KP. You can remember with that name. Next one, love, LO, man, MN. So try to remember all these 13 opposite pairs and quickly you can get that logic. Azaruddin Boy, Climax, David Warner, Electrical Vehicle, For You, Grand Test, Hyderabad and Secunderabad, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi Garu, Jack and Queen, K.A. Pal Garu, Love and Man. Otherwise, you can take one of the Telugu industry couple, Mahesh Babu and Namrata Garu. MN, Mahesh Babu and Namrata Garu. Otherwise, you can use with a man. So try to remember these pair, guys. Now you can see that CX, yes, Climax, KFL, Grand Test, Hyderabad, and Hyderabad we require Secunderabad, right? That's why this is wrong pair. For you, Jack and Queen, Azaruddin, electrical vehicle. Hope you understand. So this is all about today's session. If you have any questions, feel free to type in the comment section. Hope you understand. And you can download the material and go through once. All the materials I will update it after my live session, guys. Every day you can download the material from Telegram channel. And follow us in Instagram, Telegram also. If you have any queries, feel free to text me. We are always there for you guys. If you have any queries related to your career, I will guide you accordingly. Don't worry about that. So any questions? And I will update all the placement information or government job information through any of that medium, guys. So that's why try to follow us. Thank you so much. And so we can conclude this today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.